the Pastry Arky Unicorn Farts After Dark Chocolate Cinnamon Breakfast Stout. It's a stout, so it's going to be dark. Okay, right off the bat, you can taste the cinnamon and the chocolate, so that's a plus. This is actually probably better than the chocolate pumpkin porter I had. The problem is this is I think more alcohol content. Unicorn Farts After Dark Chocolate Cinnamon Breakfast Stout with edible glitter. Here we go. Glitter shines brighter in the dark. Giddy up for this French toast flavor frenzy, complete with alluring notes of chocolate and spiced cinnamon. A beautifully dark take on the original Unicorn Farts, now brewed as a dessert stout with gold edible glitter. That's pretty good. Oh, not good. I meant to do that.